Hello, and welcome back to the Fluctus channel. Africa is one of the richest and most diverse parts of the world, with over 54 countries and over 3,000 ethnic groups. Though some areas are incredibly advanced and urban, large parts of the continent are still very rural. Still, one of the biggest unifying facts about all of Africa is that the people there are ingenious when it comes to making do with the available resources. Perhaps one of the best examples of this is the humble Chukadu scooter. Originating in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, one of the poorest countries in Africa, these wooden scooters serve as a unique way of transporting goods across the region. A giant statue celebrates the invention of Chukadus in the city of Goma, where they are thought to have been invented. To the people there, it is a tribute to the inventiveness of the people who, with limited resources, created a tool that significantly impacted their daily lives. The Chukadu is made entirely by hand. Builders prefer to source hard, durable wood to ensure the final product will last as long as possible. The process starts by carving out rough shapes, such as the wheels, handlebars, and frame. With no tools for measurement, all of the engineering is done based on appearance and feel. Special attention is paid to the wheels, which are fitted with metal hubs to connect them to the frame. They must be round enough to provide a safe ride and keep the cargo from falling off. For an added element of durability and traction, the wheels are fitted with salvaged rubber strips, which are simply nailed to the wooden tire. All in all, the Chukadu is an extremely impressive machine, boasting handlebars, brakes, and even shock-absorbing springs in some cases. Chukadu builders in the DRC also do brisk business in repairs, inspections, and replacements. Chukadus are designed for maximum versatility, with long frames that allow riders to pile various products and supplies. Timber is a common load. After being tied securely to the frame, a Chukadu rider can travel for miles under their own power. It's also not uncommon for Chukadus to get the occasional tow from a motor vehicle as well. In sub-Saharan Africa, water, the most precious commodity, and Chukudos play a major role in its transport, often carrying hundreds of gallons at once. Foods like rice and grain are another common Chukadu cargo. Thanks to their wooden construction, they can carry more than any motorcycle or scooter ever could. While the DRC has the advantage of being largely flat, neighboring Burundi is known for its high mountains and plateaus. This has led traders there to adopt another form of two-wheeled transport, bicycles or boda-boda. Yet even the best boda-boda rider cannot traverse this landscape alone, so the Burundi traders hitch rides by holding onto the backs of passing trucks. Bananas are their primary cargo here, as they are extremely important to the local diet. Once the bikes are loaded, the traders will wait for a ride to start their journey. While it appears easy enough, the process is very dangerous. Given the lack of road repairs, the poor condition of the bikes, and the lack of helmets or other safety measures, any accident could quickly turn deadly.
Aka kazi ka taxi vero muno mwanya by'ukuri ndagakoze ndagakunda kuko buri gihe hariho ubuzima umuntu acamwo. Inyungu nuko bishika ugasanga ushitse iyo warugiye hakiri kare.
Food insecurity is rampant in Burundi, so the boda-boda riders provide a very necessary service, putting their lives on the line to make long, daily journeys. The final products are delivered directly to local markets for distribution to the people.
Natokesha mizigo, birimani, ya bitoke, ya viazi, nyambati, kila kitu chote navifikisha hapa napata pesa.
Boda-boda riders are considered local celebrities of a sort. They brave difficult roads and dangerous landscapes in order to bring much-needed food to the people. According to some state reports, accidents involving non-motorized transport are among the leading causes of injury and death on Burundi's roads. For their efforts, the average boda-boda rider might earn between BIF 5,000 and BIF 10,000, or $2.50 to $5 per day.
Kikamata ukiendelea, aiko mawazo ajitokayo, ukikamata ukipiga dodani, ukipata na shida, ukikutana ni indi gare atakupiga seke. Yote ni mawazo, ni tatizo hiyo.
Nonetheless, the boda-boda riders, like their Chukadu counterparts, are a testament to innovation in the face of necessity. Because of their efforts, local communities can get the food, water, wood, and medicine they need. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.